Hello. As I mentioned in the last video, I was planning on streamlining the savings account module aggressively. After demonstrating the innumerable number of ways of producing the same effect with the advanced DCA module, I demonstrated 3 different possibilities in the last video of how to use any module within the Jackrabbit arsenal and the DCA module to produce a very advanced savings accounts paradigm that would be capable of working with the Pro subscription of TradingView. That being said, I have significantly and aggressively reduced the savings account module back to its intended purpose, to be a very beginning point for somebody coming into Jackrabbit TV. Now, it has all of the diagnostics built into it. It can connect to the DSR, Frosty Bot, Tap, or any other situation. But it has been significantly reduced to the inputs. This is a step method only process. This is meant to be very limited, very curtailed, and very defensive for beginners. And that is exactly the point that I wanted with this whole system. A stepping stone for beginners to get used to Jackrabbit and what it's capable of doing before diving down the rabbit hole. So this is the entire menu. That's it. Anything else has been removed. Deviation is simply the red line. Take profit is simply the green line. This particular combination will give you a $600 budget. This particular combination will give you a $300 budget. This comes by way of knowing that the total volume of a coin is broken down into 100 steps. For deviation, 4% deviation on 100 steps is a total of 25 steps before the volume is fully extinguished. That is built into the mechanism. The whole point of this module is strictly introductory. Once you have had a taste of Jackrabbit and you have the basics down, then you can move forward to more advanced capabilities as demonstrated in the last video. I will be redoing the Start Here video for Cryptohopper that demonstrates the linkage of the savings account module to Cryptohopper. But for now, this is a realistically good approach to demonstrating the new simplified system. As always, leave a comment below if you have any questions, or let me know in the support server. Until next time.